Hi, I'm Jessica Lowell Mason.
And I'm Melissa Bennet. We're sisters and the co-founders of Madwomen in the Attic. MITA is a feminist mental health and madness literacy organization in Buffalo, New York, in the United States that offers non-coercive support to women and gender non-conforming people who are affected by the mental health system and psychiatric diagnoses, discrimination, and stigma.
So one of our things that we do is that we hold literacy projects that we work on together in our local groups. And in December 2018, we started a project called the December Letters Project. And this project is an attempt to sort of cross over some divides that happen between people who are in psychiatric hospitals and the community on the outside of the hospital. The project is fairly simple. We want to make secular cards around the winter solstice each year, cards and letters that we will send to our friends in psychiatric facilities who are spending the late winter month in December in the psychiatric hospitals. And part of the idea behind this is that when you're in a psychiatric hospital, it can sometimes feel isolating, and a lot of people are not allowed in. A lot of people don't know what goes on in psychiatric hospitals, so we're trying to change that. We want to see psychiatric hospitals become places where people's rights are recognized and people are treated with dignity, and one of the ways that we can do that is trying to communicate and share fellowship and friendship with people who are in psychiatric hospitals. And we chose the winter solstice as a time when we thought that that would be a good time to do that. So we invite you to participate in the December Letters Project. You can participate with us in Buffalo, New York, or you can participate in your local areas. We've had, this project has been carried out in Canada, it's been carried out in Australia, and we're hoping that it will take off and that you will feel like this project is something that you might want to do with a group that you run, a group that you're part of, a school, or a local community. Actually, I wanted to ask you to talk a little bit about what you've done with your students.
Sure. So I run a social justice club at my middle school that I work at. And one of our projects every year is to participate in the December Letters Project. So I have 6th through 8th graders who create secular cards, and we deliver them to the local hospitals as part of our organization. And they feel, first of all, they're learning about this important piece of advocacy, and then they feel so good about participating in it, and as young as 12 years old.
And especially right now, when the globe has been really affected by the coronavirus, this project gives us a chance to try to help ease some of the isolation that people are going to face coming, with the coming season in being in psychiatric hospitals where visitors might not be allowed in an even more striking way. So we invite you. We would love to have you join in doing the December Letters Project with Madwomen in the Attic. You can do it with your local communities, and we would love to hear about it. So we ask that if you do the project, please give us a shout out and let us know that you're doing it. Send us some photos and tell us how it went in your community. We would love to hear back from you.
Thank you so much for participating in this worthy cause. For more information, please visit our website at madintheattic.org.
Thanks. Okay. All right. I think it's fine.